Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to log into your PayPal credit account in just a few clicks. Whether you're managing your finances or making payments, accessing your PayPal credit is easy and straightforward. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Navigate to PayPal website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for PayPal, www.paypal.com. This will take you to the home page. Step 2. Click on the Login button. In the top right corner of the PayPal homepage, you will find the Login button. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email or mobile number. A new page will open, prompting you to enter your registered email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account. Enter your details and click Next. Step 4. Input your password. Now, you'll need to enter your PayPal account password. Make sure you type it in accurately and click Log In. Step 5. Access your PayPal credit account. Once logged in, look for the Wallet option at the top of the page. Click on it to access your account. If you have PayPal credit, you'll see it listed under your payment methods. Step 6. Manage your credit account. Now that you have accessed your PayPal credit account, you can view your balance, make payments, and manage your credit options directly from this section. Thank you for watching this video on how to log into PayPal credit in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy managing!